Birthday girl is craving for burritos. Burritos, McDonald's burritos, and I made it in my house. Let's get right into the video. Guys, good morning. This is the next day. I'm about to take some tea, guys. And when I crave for something, I just thank God for providing it. I had to pour some of my Milo here. Yeah. Here's our milk. This is for Emmanuella. I asked Emmanuella to make me, like burrito. If you know McDonald's breakfast, that's what I'm making this morning. Well, I'm making McDonald's breakfast in my house. I'm going to show you the bread wrap. So yeah, this is my bread wrap. I'm going to be adding it here so I can enjoy it this morning. I'll show you how we usually wrap it. So this is a very fast and quick breakfast. So you bring it this way. You guys, do you know I worked in McDonald's? I worked in McDonald's, so I'll tell you this is how I wrap it. This is a very delicious breakfast. Alright, let me do the second one and then I'll show you the next thing I will do. We usually wrap it with some paper. Okay, so this is something you can make for your husband. My husband likes this a lot, so I don't like him eating breakfast outside, honestly. Sometimes I don't have the ability to wake up and make him breakfast, and it hurts me so much because I do not like my husband eating breakfast outside. But after work I get so tired and can do what I can do. I can only do what I can do. So this is how we wrap our burritos. I like to just toast my bread. I'm going to put this in the same pot just to toast it before I eat. This is just like your shawarma. Just toast it to your preference and then eat with your tea. This is what I'm going to be eating this morning. I have a lot of videos to edit. Let me know if you want to see my bread wrap recipe. I think I have only one bread wrap recipe here. And every time I want to make bread wrap recipe, there's always one thing or the other. There's always one thing or the other. But honestly, trust me guys, I'm going to be showing you my bread wrap recipe very soon. Another version, okay? Because I know I made bread wrap recipe some time ago. Or is it chapati that I made? Well, I'm going to be showing you my bread wrap recipe very soon. Stay tuned. Here guys, you can cut it into two if you want. Look at that. Look at that. I love that crunchy sound I'm hearing. Look at that. See how beautiful, guys. Please, this is a good breakfast idea. I'm going to show you a recipe on this from the beginning to the end, okay? Let me see your comment if you want me to show you the recipe, how I made the egg and everything from the beginning to the end. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this with my tea. This is another beautiful day. I'm going to pick up my medicine and Hubby's medicine. My husband just called me to remind me that I need to come and pick our medicine. Oh my goodness, I hope they are not closed. Man, my husband told me they close at 1. Everybody's running. let's go in. Okay, you don't need anything like that.
Hello.
So is your flu shot free? Okay, I would like my daughter to take.
Have we refill for her here?
I mean, just
I know, but we have to fill out. You have to fill out. Has she filled out the prescriptions here?
No, I haven't.
She would have to fill out a form for a new patient, and then you have to fill out the form for the flu shot as well. So it's the paper. You have to fill out.
Baby, should we wait till Monday when you are off so we can come in and take the flu shot for Chidera? Okay. Okay, so you can take yours at the same time. All right, that'll be fine.
And
Okay,
this is Sylvester.
your friends are saying hello, baby.
This Crystal, you know the one that always talk to you. Y'all don't believe that, okay?
That's the one that's taking care of you, baby. Be nice. Be nice. Yes, the beautiful young lady. Yeah, she's so nice. She's so nice.
She's not nice.
Oh.
We'll see Monday. All right.
I'm not gonna be here to save you. So be nice. Thank you, darling. You enjoy your weekend.
You too. Thank you.
All right, bye, you all. All right, sweetheart, I got it. Yeah. All right. Thank you for reminding me. I actually. We are going to be stopping at Walgreens because we need to pick up something here. Emmanuella needed some items. All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a good day.
You too, baby. So as we were coming into the store to pick what we needed to pick, Emmanuella saw a man asking for help, something to eat. We decided to buy him something. We gave him money when we were walking in, but we decided to buy him food, and he was very grateful. So yeah, Emmanuella is trying to give him the food we bought for him, and then bring out the things we came to buy. Have a blessed one, okay? Be good, all right? Guys, the man appreciated it, and that is what matters. Emmanuella gave him all the bag.
I didn't even remember.
I didn't even see the man. It was Emmanuella that cited the man and said, "Mommy, let's give him money or buy him some food." We gave him money, we bought him food.